What you doing, Pappy?
Taking this table apart. Gotta go. Everything's gotta go. Is it running?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. There you go. Screwdriver.
Oh.
This Phillips screws. It's right there. Some there. Got most of it in, but I have to get something. Be right back.
We're undoing screws today. This is like an air hockey table. What I'm excited about is this fan component here. Other than having a bunch of screws and some sick decals that say hockey decals. So we're undoing some screws today. Finally doing some scrapping on film. So we talk about scrapping and then we don't film any of it. So we're trying to get some of that done today. Scrapping can mean a wide variety of things, really. We like to reuse different things and ways that other people don't think about. A very artistic, like. I think that I can undo this like this here. To test it after. We haven't even tested it yet, but the table was pretty much scrap, so I want to leave these screws with this component because if it does work, then maybe we can sell it for what it is. I'm not really good at talking like Pappy, so watch me unscrew this fan component. Maybe. There we go. So, let's see here. I'll just want to keep this together as much as possible. Get the screws back into place and show you this fan here to blow the air through the table so that like it makes a nice air hockey surface. So that's cool. I mean, the whole cord is here and everything, so maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. We'll figure it out later. Is this the...
Yeah, you can put them in there.
Right.
Just,
These ones I want to keep with this component though, because they're made to go with it.
okay.
So... on this side. Just move this over here. Hello. Start unscrewing this.
It would probably go much better if you had like a drill, a power.
You got like how many drills?
Yeah, I know. But
that's cool. You can take something apart there. We could be taking two things apart at the same time.
that's it. This is that TV, two TV antenna and speakers, video in, S videos, plug in the wall. Yep.
Yeah, cool. Let's see what it looks like on the inside.
Channel 3, channel 4. Anyhow, I'm gonna take it apart. You'll send the plastic out to the plastic guy, which is the government.
Yay.
They can recycle that part. They're probably actually making the better part of the deal. Alright, there's the face off.
I think this is
Plastic.
the last screw in the table now.
Might be, because I took some of them out
Yeah.
earlier. Another piece of plastic. There's the base. There's what's inside. Not a whole lot.
A lot of capacitors.
Yeah.
Many
Yellow
capacitors.
board. Green on the other side. Some washers, screws. Some more screws, flying screws. So yeah, there's a couple of bigger screws here and there that needs a regular screwdriver for. But if you got all the screws out, these pieces of wood, if they're not glued on, should start to come off.
Nice.
I had a little bit of glue, but not a whole lot. You should be able to take all those off there. That with a flat table afterwards.
Yeah, there is some glue on it.
Yeah, a little.
That's cool because look, it says hockey.
Alright, I can't even pick up a washer. It's so tiny and flat. We can put this one over there also, and now you're way out of camera view.
That's fine.
Boom. We only
For
get
the ladies.
50 hands. That was a little more glue, eh?
Yeah. They saved that glue for me. They were like, we know Scrappy's gonna wanna undo this. And we gotta embarrass her. Sorry. Alright.
That table, I didn't notice until now, but it's 2 layers thick. At the top and the
Yeah.
bottom, and then it's hollow in between where the air blows.
Yeah, it's pretty
Come out
cool.
through the little holes. There's some tiny little holes. Okay. Keep pulling wood off. Don't give up yet. Don't give up on me, baby. Get out of there. Yep.
A hammer or something would be good. Like,
Yeah,
maybe I can
it's-
just.
You could actually walk
Turn
around
this like
there.
this.
Yeah, you could turn it any way you want.
And then we'll have both of us.
The last thing they want to see anyhow is any of me. Go for it, I'll hold this side of it. Hey, that's all.
Oh, you see? Maybe like this?
Yeah, maybe so. There you go. It's only paper anyhow. But actually,
Now you know why they call me Scrappy.
yeah. Yes, I was gonna say you actually have to hit it for it to work, because you kind of went over it there. And then you draw it back and it almost hit me in the mouth, so I just stayed quiet after that. And then here's all the pieces back with these screws, whatever that's in there that you didn't get out yet. Go for it. I'm just standing here out of the way. All right.
I'm afraid.
You're getting carried away with that hammer, eh?
Well, I felt like there was not a threat earlier. I felt like I did it within safe parameters.
Oh yeah.
And then you said I almost hit you in the face.
Well, yeah, it's true though.
Yeah, but it didn't. I mean, almost only counts in horseshoes. That's what
That's
you
it.
used to tell me all the time.
That's it. Then we don't have a horse.
Or any shoes that go on a horse. Well,
We might have some shoes
have
floating
one.
around. One or two, but we don't have any horses. This thing's not coming out. So there you go. Take that apart.
all right.
Nice little water tank if you needed one for anything.
Yeah, maybe someone's looking for this, so we'll save
Yeah.
the model number and whatnot and look. I mean, maybe not,
Uh-huh.
but maybe. What screws we got going on here?
Mostly Phillips. Yep.
Jinx. Exactly. That's funny.
Don't get too close to me because I'll stab you in the hand.
The only ones I can really see from here are these ones.
Well, take out everyone you can see. Well, is it some there? Is it some in these holes, or was there?
There was some.
Somebody just robbed them?
Yeah, I need a shorter. I need this.
Okay. Seem to get.
Struggle with me, you guys. This is the small screw struggle. There we go. Maybe the person that scrapped this or salvaged it initially didn't have a short screwdriver on them, so they couldn't get these screws. This one's quite difficult. It's not even wanting to go. It's too hard.
What's hard?
The screw doesn't want to come out.
Do another one.
But I really want this one to come out now.
We'll make it get out.
I am slowly. It's agonizing for the viewers.
Why? They're having something to laugh at.
It's agonizing for Scrappy.
There you go. Okay. Good thing about the dog. When I made it back. Now, where was I? Why is this thing being so difficult? I was trying to save it to maybe reuse, but you know, it's not that big a deal to me to save you. So if you don't want to be saved, be reused, you can stay right there.
There's only so much you can do. You can't
That's
save
it.
everybody.
That's it.
Just like people.
Most of it
Finally.
useless anyhow. You beat it, huh?
It took forever. Alright. There's this little thingy that looks pretty like solidly in there. Maybe these things will come out.
Yeah,
Try.
I think that's something to do with the water part of it. I forgot what I was doing here.
Taking apart something.
Yeah, but I mean, I forgot exactly what I was doing at the moment. Got a little
Quite
lost. Oh, that
difficult. Maybe this.
that's hard on my broke finger there. And darn it.
Can't I just take a hammer to it?
No, if you can't get it, you can put it aside and leave it
No, I'm
and do
just
something
kidding.
else.
It's just funner to use a hammer.
Oh yeah?
Sometimes. What do you think? If you think it's funner to use a hammer, comment below.
That's funny. Hammer time.
Oh, he had one hit song.
That was it?
Yeah, Hammer Time. MC
Yeah.
Hammer. He had
Oh.
like he was a one-hit wonder. He had a couple other songs, but it was mostly that one song. And then he he filed for bankruptcy.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright. Get some of this stuff to cooperate here. Get off of there. The magnet sticking to everything. There's another one. Where are them things at? nice to get it. There's so many screws in a tiny little block like this. It's unbelievable. You wouldn't think that. Is the whole thing turning again? Ah, I thought I was holding it. No such luck.
Just like this, I have to keep like a certain amount of pressure applied for it to unscrew properly,
Uh-huh.
or else it doesn't really turn good.
That's true. Yeah, you just be spinning the screwdriver in the head of it, not doing anything.
Yeah. But it's nice when it fits perfectly and you don't have to worry about that so much.
Oh yeah.
It's also fun to complain. Okay, I took out all the visible screws
Mm-hmm.
and I still don't see. Okay.
Let's see what's next.
How to take this apart. But that fell off and now this came off.
There you
so
go.
That answers my question.
That's just plastic now with nothing else on it, eh?
Some kind of filter.
Yeah.
Oh, more screws inside here. Cool. At least 4. So that's what Scrappy's doing. Oh, no, 4. Wow, there's like 10 of them.
Bunch.
1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At least 9.
And I'll save these two little
10, 11.
locky things.
Yeah, cool.
Might have some other use
I'll borrow
eventually.
this for a second.
Go right ahead.
Because there's some ones that'll be difficult to get to in here.
Alright.
I think there's actually 11 screws,
Wow.
which is funny.
Why is that funny?
11
Yeah.
is my number.
Okay. Alright, getting that one to move out of there. It definitely had that secured in there with a screw and a nut on it. That was strange. He was really worried about it. I'm not putting that one together. They'll find each other later. And I can scrap just like it is. Back over to this weird gizmo. Mostly nothing but a piece of junk, but I'll take it apart later. Look, it has a little motor.
Red and blue.
Yeah. Color coded. A little light. Really a light, but well, this can go in the collection of those for now. I'll take these away. I'll take this piece of metal. Oh, no, not yet, because why? I didn't take the legs and the 4 little screws out. Put the others in the brass bucket. Ah. Yeah, darn it. I forgot about these guys. I actually bent this a little too far. Bit them a little, but they're plastic, so they won't mind. I don't know if we'll ever have any need for them, but look, I'm saved these 4 little
Cool.
rubber legs.
Yeah, you never know.
I'm not saving the screws with them, they're just all in a container. Might not even need the same kind of screws next time, who knows. If not, if so, just have to mix and match. But for now, we'll save them. I don't know exactly what these little things would come in handy for on Doomsday, but
We'll
you
just have to
never know.
find out.
That's it.
Like all these screws.
That's
We'll be
it.
selling screws. And that's how we'll make money.
Well, if I could make money selling screws, I'd be doing that already.
Well, not yet, but when the apocalypse comes, Pappy, come on. No. Pappy's laughing at me.
With you.
Sure. I want this little motor in here. It looks cool.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, take it out.
Extraction. 80% complete. You heard that? Wow. I didn't know you could hear me.
Well, if you're speaking out loud.
Yeah, but you're in the shop. I figured like I
Generally.
was speaking quiet enough for no one to hear me. Extraction. 82% complete.
Good. I should leave you all the hard stuff to take apart.
I broke that because I was tired of
Yeah,
trying
if
to
it's
get the
plastic,
screw
who
out.
cares?
Yeah.
Mhm.
There's some there, but you know what? We'll just do it this way, like that. It's more satisfying. It's quicker. There's no damage really. This kind of gauge thingy here. Not sure about that. And this here is connected here. Some screws. There we go.
Kill it.
It's just easier.
To kill it? Yeah. So I think she told the dog come on and go outside.
Yeah.
It refused to come off the bed.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's tired. She's tired.
I guess so.
Poor baby. Well, that's good. She got her fill then.
Yes. Means you don't want any more. At least not for now. Yeah. This way. Wait a minute while I think about those.
Not yet. Close, but no cigar. This looks like it should clip out, but I kind of broke it already, so there we go. Put this to the side for now. So we got one other screw here to get to.
I forgot to tell you too. Silence is not allowed.
Yeah. Sometimes I get too concentrated. I
Talk.
forget to talk.
Talk to it.
Well, this is. Oh no, there's still another screw hidden in there. Look at that. I didn't even see it. Man.
Keep at it. These little plastic things aren't worth a crap.
Dans le vide, ça tourne dans le beurre. It's a French expression for this is not working. I will need this. There's no pliers? Oh, yeah. Okay. So I would need this just to hold this straight so that I can get the screw out, because if not, it's just turning by itself.
Turning by itself?
Like not going no way. You know, like turning in the butter. That's a French expression.
Turning in the butter.
Yeah, it means you ain't doing nothing. You ain't going no way fast.
Spinning your wheels.
There you go. But we say turning in butter.
That's cool.
You can also say turning in emptiness, but most people say in butter.
Turning in emptiness.
Yeah, it's like turning in empty. So turned on vid. It's going nowhere.
Okay. Learn some French every day, people.
There's a couple words here and there. Oh, we lost that.
Did we now? And all this is just junk plastic?
Scrap, yeah.
Okay.
Scrap plastic.
Okay.
I don't know about this little maybe piece there. So if not, I'll get back to the main project. A bunch of little screws in here.
You have to rescue them all.
Here we come to save the day.
And I will continue to pick up the plastics and go put in the plastic recycle container, except that I have to reject one of these items. That one's rejected
Because there's a screw. Oh, yeah.
because it has
Well, I was going to get to
Four
it later.
4 screws in it. I know,
wanted
but
to
I
do
was just
this.
cleaning up and
Yeah, I mean, I
I
might
took
not
one
have
thing too many maybe.
noticed it, actually.
I'm just too excited to get to that motor.
Pull this out with brute force. No. Alright. I'm just gonna get hurt.
Cool, because Scrappy's actually scrapping.
On camera for once.
Finally, huh? We only see part of her. The part she wants you to see. You know, see about these screws. Boy, they're in the plastic pretty good, aren't they?
Yeah, that's why I left it for after.
Yeah. Probably they screwed them in there with some type of power. Most likely, why wouldn't they?
Like automated power.
Electric or air or something other than manpower.
Yeah.
Because I don't know if those little people could screw this in this hard. Because it's made by Elf.
Up north?
I guess.
I didn't know this was a Christmas present.
It was for somebody, but it is no longer.
Classic.
Okay. So many weird pieces put to make things. How they figure they draw it up and make all of this. And those things are good to have to use again if we can get them out of one piece, but it's hard to do. If you can't, I just snip the freaking wire on
Yeah,
that
I
side
don't
and
think
let
I can do it.
Yeah, just either one of these two, just cut the wire on this side here. Let that little bit of copper wire stay in there and go with it.
That was really easy
Yeah.
compared to what I was trying to do.
Yeah.
I will always do that from now on.
Well, if they're easy, I'll take them right out to save them.
But this was very difficult.
I know.
I didn't want to give it all.
Some of them's
But I don't
hard.
want to leave this little bit here.
Yeah, don't get that. I mean, we'll never be able to keep up with that.
Okay.
I mean, it'll go for sure scrap if you leave it there, but if we lose it in the yard, it'll just get returned to the ground, which is okay too.
Should I keep this component, all of this as one?
If
Yeah,
you want
it's
to
the
for
fan.
now.
Yeah, for now,
with the-
definitely.
Yeah, with the control and that. 'Cause then we could
Cool.
just, if it worked, and it probably did, we didn't even try it. We just plug it
Yeah.
back in the wall and
Nice. So that's how you
or
get
mount it or built it.
the fan component.
And
motor.
then if we decide to scrap it later, we can continue on.
Whoa, table is unstable. I guess I'll pause that for now, or ta-ta till later.